The basic shapes like this. This is two hand, that is character. Okay, and I have two ear.
Sir, is this Totoro?
Ah, you know this character. Oh,
Yes, sir.
it's my favorite character. Oh, so sweet this character. Totoro.
What's his name? What is his name?
Totoro
From?
from Ghibli Studio. What is the movie now? Name I forgot. Piano no piano or something.
It's my neighbor Totoro.
Yeah. My neighbor Totoro. Yeah. So and this, so they are making uh, one line you can create, and this eyes line. So create the eyes and here eyes. This is actually a very big character, like a the concept. I hope this like a bear, big bear kind of, but the character completely is very matched to Pikachu, Raichu. If you see this Japanese Doraemon, Pokemon, this is kind of character. This is far, this is so many years ago they designed this character. After that, this uh, they are making some. They're holding some, like in this hand. I create. They hold some umbrella. Maybe in this movie, one scene is there. They're waiting, raining, and they're holding umbrella like this. The basic shapes create like this. Okay. So now we can start. The basic step is done. You can start the character. If any character in front, I always start from the eyes. I try to start from eyes.
So can you like show him small basic thing, like the basic pencil and without
Yeah,
the umbrella?
yeah. Again, I show beta. So this is the heat and oval shape. Okay, the head is circle and the body is a oval like this. Okay, oval shape. So you can make it oval and then join this circle and oval. Okay, and here the shoulder bone. So from here one hand is like this and another hand is like this, two hand. Okay, in this shoulder bone, from here one hand, this bone for this hand, this part for this hand, and the leg is very small, like this only. Okay, the basic. and then this two ear like this, an eyes line and nose line, for eyes line make eyes and nose line make a nose. Its character is no nose. Nose is there, very small mouth. Nose is bigger, mouth is very small. Okay, this is the mouth. And then do like this. This is the basics characters. Line little bit of break line. The umbrella. Ear. Here is a very interesting like this, and here there are some leaves, no? This finger is black kind of. This character actually here. So make it some line like this, like this. So it's look like a not skin, it's a hair and fur. When you create the character, okay, this is also character design, but this is animal character. Then you can erasing this pencil line. Again creates. This character design is really simple, but it's very, very
Can
great.
you remove your hand?
Yes.
Okay, sir. You forgot to draw one thing. Yes, the umbrella.
And just additional add some. I show you some pretty interesting character I see in this movie. Like, uh, very simple. See, like, if you, okay, you can draw. I like this very simplicities of this character. They are making like this. I don't know what character it is, but
Sir, can you move your Sir, can you move your hand?
yeah, I move. There is one more character like this. Very simple.
Yes, sir, it's that weird character which keeps walking around.
Yeah, a more interesting character. Other things I want to show. When I see first time, I am also scared. This is this is the characters I just. This characters basically they survive the old house or close window or bucket. This is the
Yes, sir, those are the dust bunnies.
dust bunny, there, right? So fun character it is, and there's lots of this, lots of small here and there. They are raised around together. So, and that all are animated. It's very fun. Just they are called characters animation. That is also interesting things. It's so nice, so wonderful.